Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school lock. First, identify if you have a combination or keyed lock. Combination locks typically have 3 or 4 dials, while keyed locks require a physical key. Knowing your lock type is the first step to securing your locker. We'll cover both types, ensuring you can confidently protect your items throughout the school day. For combination locks, begin by finding the reset lever or button, usually on the back or bottom. With the lock open, push the reset, then dial in your new 3 or 4-digit code. Release the reset, scramble the dials, and then test your new combination at least 3 times to ensure it works perfectly. This simple process secures your locker effectively. If you have a keyed lock, the process is straightforward. Insert your key completely into the keyhole. Turn the key about 1/4 of a turn, either clockwise or counterclockwise, until the shackle pops open. To lock it, simply close the shackle and turn the key back to its original position, then remove it. Always keep your key secure to prevent loss. To maintain optimal security, always double-check that your lock is fully closed and the shackle is firmly engaged. Never share your combination or key with anyone. Your locker's contents are your responsibility. If you notice any damage to your lock or locker, or if you lose your key, inform school staff immediately. Staying vigilant keeps your belongings safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.